How to earn money through Josh app. So if you want to earn money, then all you have to do is first of all download your Josh app from your Play Store. You can simply open up your Play Store and on the search bar search for Josh. And after searching you will have an install option. You can simply install. So for now I have already installed it, and after installing simply open up your Josh app. Here you will have your videos. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile. And here you will have your account. So to earn money you have to simply tap on miscellaneous, and from here you have to verify your KYC and your bank account documents. So here if you want to verify your KYC, then you can simply tap on verify. The one thing is you need to have at least 265 diamonds to qualify for a KYC verification. So after you have 625 diamonds, then you can be able to verify your KYC. And then you will have add bank account. You can simply tap on add, and then you can enter your UPI ID, or you can enter your bank account ID. So to enter your bank account ID also you need to have 625 diamonds, and by this you can simply earn money. So that's it guys, that's how you earn money through Josh app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.